you look for agreement. As an individual with high harmony talent, you seek consensus. You don't enjoy conflict. Rather, you find areas of agreement and ways for people to work together. Your harmony talent can be used powerfully to accomplish your goals with doTERRA. As you prepare for the coming months with your business, leverage your ability to find areas of agreement and common ground. Think about how you can get your leaders on board and aligned with your goals so you can work effectively together to achieve them. When you teach a class, use your harmony talent to create common ground for everyone. If somebody voices a concern, work to find something you both agree on first and then build from there. Find ways to create consensus in your classes, helping everyone understand how doTERRA can benefit them. Utilize the Natural Solutions class guide to help you cover the essential oils and health priorities that most people are interested in. You have a knack for seeking ways to get people working together. As your business grows, make a list of individuals you think will complement your team and begin reaching out to them. Your team will appreciate your practical approach to problems. When builders are faced with challenges, you have the ability to focus on what works best. Make it a habit to be in regular contact with your builders so they don't get stuck for too long. Create a frictionless experience for them, and they will be able to accelerate their team's growth. Because you seek consensus within your team, you may be tempted to remain silent in order to keep the peace. If there's a situation within your team that is causing problems, don't worry about rocking the boat a little. As a leader with harmony, you'll find that when you speak up, you're able to navigate difficult situations and create win-wins for you and your team. To avoid unproductive debates, help your team grow by focusing on things that everyone can agree on. Your harmony talent can be an incredible strength as you lead your doTERRA team. You are a calm and even-keeled leader and avoid wasting emotional energy in conflict. You can find common ground between the most disparate individuals and build bridges that last a lifetime.